When I got it, thought I'd originally only get 6 kegs back there, but it really is an 8 keg car. I was actually born 10 blocks from here. Studied brewing engineering at the Technical University of Munich for 4.5 years. From the time I was 20 until now, I came full circle. I can testify that the Model X can hold 8 full kegs of beer. Be sure to buckle those kegs in. I never delivered beer before. Now if someone calls up, oh yeah, I'll run it over myself. And it is the best delivery vehicle you could ever imagine. I'd make excuses to go deliver beer. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience to build a brewery like this because the level of automation that we put in and the quality of the machinery. Our brewery is fully automated, so is my Tesla. I love technology as a whole. Autopilot, I'm addicted to it. It makes those frustrating drives and massive traffic fun because it takes over for you. It is fun. It is really fun. I'm Dan Gordon. I brew beer and I haul it in a Model X.